Tinubu, that seat does not belong to you. Don't ever try to sit upon that seat. That is same God that destroyed Abacha for his plan to Islamize this nation. We destroyed the plan of President Muhammad Buhari and Tinubu. You are not the one that won election. Don't sit on that seat, Tinubu. If you sit on that seat, the anger of God will fall upon you. Don't sit upon that seat. That seat does not belong to you. Peter Obi won the election, but you people push Peter Obi away, put him to third. And President Muhammad Buhari, all the evil that you have done in this nation, Nigeria, is only God that will judge you. It's only God that will judge you. So you people want a group of Boko Haram to rule Nigeria again. The group of Boko Haram will not rule this country again. The group of Boko Haram will not rule this country again. And they will not Islamize this nation. They will not Islamize this nation. So after President Muhammad Buhari trying to Islamize this nation and God destroying his plan to Islamize this nation, he wants to come out from that seat. He wants to handle the power to Tinubu so that Tinubu will continue his work. That is why they choose Muslim to rule this country, to Islamize this nation. I want to tell all the Christians in Nigeria, this is the hour that we should rise up, because their plan is to Islamize this nation, because they are the people that are sponsoring Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram. That is why President Muhammad Buhari wants to give Fulani land all over Nigeria. That is why he wants to give them land all over Nigeria. But it will not come to pass. That is the same God that destroyed Abacha. Abacha wants to Islamize this nation. God of Elijah, Elohim Adonai, destroy him. That is the same God that destroyed Abacha. That is the same God that destroyed the plan of Abacha to Islamize this nation. That is the same God will visit Buhari and Tinubu and his group. They will not Islamize this nation. Where is that God that destroyed Abacha? Where is that God that destroyed Abacha? Who want to Islamize Nigeria? We need you, oh Lord, to come down and destroy the plan of the Gaban. The reason why they have not defeated Boko Haram in Nigeria is because our leaders, they are the people, they are the ones sponsoring them. So we say no to the group of these Fulanis and Boko Haram to rule this country anymore. They are planning to finish their work. And God destroyed the plan of President Muhammad Buhari, and they want to hand it over to Tinubu and his co and his vice president so that they will fulfill their mission. But they will not fulfill their mission. They will not fulfill their mission. Tinubu, that seat does not belong to you. Don't sit upon that seat. If you sit upon that seat, the anger of God will fall upon you. So you want to start where President Muhammad Buhari stopped to Islamize this nation. You will not do it. Buhari, do you think that God is happy with you? God is not happy with you. INEC chairman, let me tell you, God is not happy with you people. The reason that Nigeria is still suffering from Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram is that our leaders are the people that are sponsoring them. We need a group of people that are not sponsoring Boko Haram and the Fulani herdsmen to rule Nigeria. If not, let this nation divide. If not, let this country divide. Is better. We have kept quiet enough. And the Pastor Paul and Eche speak, and you want to arrest Paul and Eche. And you want to arrest Pastor Paul and Eche. Why do you want to arrest Pastor Paul and Eche? Why? Since you people have been sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen, butchering Christians, bombing churches, have you people arrested the protesters in Nigeria that are sponsoring them? Touch not my prophet, I do my prophet no harm. United Nations, why are you people keeping quiet? They have butchering Christians in Nigeria, and United Nations are keeping quiet. United Nations, will you people tell me that you don't see what happened in this election in Nigeria? Britain that colonized this nation, Nigeria, United Kingdom. United Kingdom, since they have been butchering Christians in Nigeria, you people are keeping quiet. Are you not people seeing what happened in this election? Why do you people keeping quiet? United Nations and Britain, the reason that Nigeria have never defeated Boko Haram is that the group, our leaders are the people that are sponsoring them. And we want the group of people that are not sponsoring them to rule us so that they will stop these butchering Christians, bombing churches in Nigeria. America, United Kingdom, Britain that colonized this nation, and the United Nations. If you people love what is happening to Christians in Nigeria, leave this election. United Kingdom, if you people love what Christians are passing through in Nigeria, leave this election. But if you people does not like what Christians are passing in Nigeria, come to Nigeria and know how they do this election.